All right, guys, welcome back to Soai in the city. Some of you guys have been saying that because I'm not stuck on the island right now. You guys know I'm in the beautiful and noisy and bustling city of New York. So today, you guys have been, sending me messages and telling me like, yo, this is a cool place to stop at, where to go. So I need y'all's advice, your information, everything like that. So today I'm hanging out with Momo today, and she's going to show me like a really cool movie theater. Like I've never been to a movie theater like this before, so it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be like one of those couch dining in type movie theater. And I'm gonna go to the Pottery today. That's like where you could play some mini golf, little stuff like that. And right now, I'm outrageously hungry. I haven't eaten anything from days, so I'm gonna go to one of my favorite food stops here in New York, which is called Shake Shack. I don't know, drop in the comments if you like Shake Shack. I absolutely love it. I think they make really good burgers. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get to that stop. All right, so Momo, what's good? You look so nervous. Everyone when they pop in on my vlog, it's kind of like, hello.
Hey, hello.
All right, cool. So tell us about New York and why you love it or you don't love it.
Well, New York is such a melting pot of cultures. It has a little bit of something for everyone. There's great food, great people, great experiences of all characters and all budgets. So you can't go wrong, especially in the summer.
Yeah. So for the longest time, I thought that you were Jamaican, but you're not, right?
I am. You can't take that from me.
All right, so I did a quick Q&A on my live maybe a couple of days ago, and one of the questions that people kept on asking me, they were just like, how do I find New York City? Do I love it? Absolutely. I love New York City. So far, I have not missed the island as much, I think, because most people miss about their Caribbean countries are, apart from family, definitely miss your family and stuff, but a lot of people miss food. Fortunately enough for me, I think I'm pretty adventurous where I try to find different local spots. You guys knew I found out that crab spot. I found a couple other places as well. And I know to cook my own food. I know to get my own flavor. So far, not quite yet. But I think what's keeping me going here is just the fact that I love how everything is so quick. Like I needed some stuff to start something that I'm doing, and I could just make a quick order and it's here. I like the convenience of that. So yeah, so far I've been doing pretty good, guys. Pretty happy, pretty chill, and I really appreciate learning about new cultures. Like I always say in my videos, it's love, nature, and adaptation. For me, I'm very big on adapting to new circumstances, new places, new people. So I guess that's what I'm using to keep me going. So anyway, Mobo is playing tour guide today, trying to figure out exactly where Shake Shack is. I'm not going to interfere. This is her city, y'all. I'm not going to interfere. This is her city, even though I've been, traveling about on my own, taking the train on my own, taking the bus, taking Ubers, and finding spots on my own too. But yeah, got the help today. I'm definitely taking it. I don't know, man. Like that 5:30 sun in New York is just gorgeous. I don't know. I just love it. I think my favorite part, Momo said she liked New York City for a couple things. For me, I love it because it's so diverse. I mean, like, I see a lot of Jamaican people here all the time, people from Haiti, Antigua, St. Vincent. Like, there's a jerk spot I'm gonna take you guys. It's actually run by a St. Vincent family, I believe, so I'm gonna take you guys there pretty soon. But yeah, you heard those commotion back there. On a Saturday, people are out to eat, and then I think the thing that gets me the most is the fashion. Like, yo, look at this. Look at them boots. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at them boots. Love it.
That's the High Line.
The High Line?
Yeah, it's a walkway.
Oh.
It's a very long walkway. You can see a lot of the city.
And there's a lot of running. You sure you know where I could Shake Shack? Your name are wear green? What? Hey, you working now? Yeah, buddy. My favorite burger is the avocado burger, but the smoke shack, what is that? Angus beef, cheese with applewood smoked bacon, chopped cherry peppers. So before I forget to tell you guys, being here in New York, as a Caribbean person, there are things that I miss, especially when it comes on to be able to go out there and find some good Caribbean food. So I'm gonna be working on something pretty soon. I'm gonna announce it to you guys, but stay on the lookout. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram page because I'm gonna launch something. I'm here not just to lollygag and all that stuff. I'm actually here for a real purpose, and we're gonna stick to the purpose in terms of like growing exactly what we're doing, whether it's ourselves, business, whatever. So stick around for this. I think some of you guys are gonna love it because it's something that you guys have been asking me to do for a very long time. So just waiting on my Shake Shack burger. One thing I like about these burgers, it's something that I always liked to do when I was in New York, is to go to like diners. It's one of my favorite things to do. I like going to an old school diner looking type restaurant. This is like a diner type restaurant, but more modern. So the burgers feel, would you agree? Would you agree? Does here feel like a diner? Like, not the space, but like the burgers themselves. Like it feels like old school burger.
Yeah, like a old school, like you see on TV, the 1950s soda shop.
Yeah, kind of, but then it's modern. It's definitely modern. So
I would agree.
yeah, so I'm getting that from here, and the burgers are very good. It's expensive. One thing I can say about New York is a very expensive city. That's what I don't like about New York. But the flip side about it is that New York allows you to hustle, if you get what I'm saying. Like, people are here spending money day in and day out, and if you have a product that is good, you can make some money. So that's one thing people were asking me on my live too, what I thought about that. I remember the other day I ordered something to my apartment, and it was a big device. And then when it came to my apartment, it was a lady that brought it, and I was just like, yo, I ordered this from an electronics store. Like, why is it like a regular civilian that's bringing it? And that's what I like about being in this city or just in the US in general. Like, you can take up odd jobs. Like, you can go do a part-time job being Uber or something. So that's what I really like.
Right here.
That's us?
Yeah.
Oh, you hit, oh, damn.
Make sure she doesn't
Right? Yeah, respect, bro.
I'm sorry, huh? Oh, is it? Thank you. It's just for the store, so I was like, you gotta represent over here. Thank you.
Hey, our burgers are here. Let's go. Look at the size of this burger. This burger is for $10. I mean, I don't have the biggest hands, but still. $10 for this burger, but it is good. Crinkle cut fries. I got a mango passion drink. And what did you get? You got like a regular shake?
A shake burger.
Shake burger?
With pickles.
With pickles? Mm-hmm. That's it? Got you. The island?
Yes, the little island. I'm so excited. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. All right, so say to say that we enjoy the food. Some people eat faster than me, but we enjoy the food. You know what I noticed being here is like there's a lot of green spaces. There's a lot of green spaces and places to hang out. And honestly, you'd think that the city doesn't have them, but they're here. I mean, the places that I felt very congested and clogged up is like when I'm in the subway in the summer. Like that feels it's just humid and just a horrible feeling. But like once you get to these spots, like, people are out on them little lawns and stuff, just chilling, hanging out and stuff, which I quite like. I don't know, maybe I'm a little bit different, but for me, yeah, I think there's quite a bit of green space. What say you, Momo? Agreed or disagree?
I agree. There's plenty of green spaces around the city, not just in Manhattan, but also in other boroughs as well.
Yeah.
So you can get around.
But you just gotta look.
You gotta look.
Yep. Like you're saying on the island. Tell me about the island. What is the island?
So the island was built just a few years ago. It was really hard to get in, but now things have calmed down a little bit. But it's a really nice structure that has free shows throughout the summer. Mm-hmm. It has beautiful views of the water. So it's a really great opportunity to see the city at a unique perspective.
So it's an artificial type of island, right?
Yes.
With stuff like plants and stuff on it.
And yeah, greenery that you can just relax like I said, they have some shows, so it could be a variety of entertainment throughout
Okay.
the summer.
Vibes.
They even have yoga, I believe. So imagine coming here on an early morning to do yoga right there. That's so amazing.
Yo. And that's the island over. Damn. That's kind of dope. Let me take you guys in a little bit closer. I've never heard about the island. Like it's nothing like Jamaica, but yeah. It's unique. It's unique looking. All right, I'm gonna take you guys closer up. So yeah, it would seem like it's like a pier or a dock type formation with these little struts coming out of the water, and then there's these little pods up top. It would seem like what plant is that? Like a tulip maybe? I don't know. So it has that type of look, and then there's just a lot of greenery up top. And then, I don't know, there's so much people. I don't know. I tell people all the time, I like to, not necessarily people watch, but I like seeing people enjoying themselves, whether it's having some good food or just, spending time with their family, their loved ones, or just experiencing a new wonder, like me right now. It's gonna be my first time being on the island. And I'm certain that some of you who might be living in New York or visited New York a lot of times have never came to the island.
Little island.
What?
Little island.
The little island?
Yes.
Is there the big one?
I mean, Manhattan is technically an island.
Good point. So I'm still stuck on an island. What you mean? Don't play with him. Don't play with the boy. All right, so we're getting a little bit closer. We're getting a little bit closer to the island so you guys can have a better look. I told you about the green. I told you. Anyway, yeah, you see, so in the wintertime, obviously winter changes a lot of things here. So in the wintertime, this place is kind of closed off, right?
I'm not sure, honestly.
Not sure?
I'm not sure. They probably have reduced hours, but definitely, depending on the conditions, it's probably closed or limited. Because I'm sure people come in and they run and stuff like that. But I'm not sure. They also have food here too.
Wow.
People are getting good seats for the show.
So we are looking at the butt crack of the island. Be careful, y'all. Okay, this island might be a doozy. Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is dope. Forgive me, y'all. Never say come see. Never say come say. You have to be willing to just appreciate just the simple things. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I appreciate this. Being locked inside for the past couple of days, editing or just setting my stuff up and working on some business stuff. To be out and see other people out, it's kind of cool.
You want to walk up and see?
Okay.
See them?
All right, so we are at the top of one of the pods. It's a little spiral coming up, which is kind of cool. So this is on the Hudson River. Like we mentioned before, it's an artificial island. It's like an urban spectacle. Being here in New York, I think people here and visitors are always trying to look for something unique, and this is pretty unique. You can book a trip and do a whole tour guide type of thing. Probably it's gonna cost you like 30 to 50 bucks. Or you can just come here, take yourself for free. I mean, go figure. You can search the information on the internet or use the greatest encyclopedia of all time, which is YouTube. So you can find out everything you need to know about the place. So that's just my little take on it. But we are here. This is your first time being at the little island? Wow.
I wanted to do this for so long.
How long has it been out here?
Oh, I would say maybe 3 years, if anything. It hasn't been around that long. Yeah.
Okay.
And like I said, the first year that it opened up, it was really hard to get in. Such a big thing. I think you needed tickets or something like that. It was very limited, especially with the pandemic at the time. So now it's kind of like free reign.
Okay.
Wow.
So if you want to go in the corner here, you will see One World Trade Center down there. You'll see there, like I said, there's a little man-made beach there. And if you go right about here.
So you said after the World Trade Center, they put up what they call the Freedom Tower.
Yep, right there.
Yeah, so there's a Freedom Tower there. You know what's funny? I've been to the little island before I went to What's that lady called again? Statue of Liberty. That's wild.
I've been here all my life and I've never been there either. So.
High five. I thought that was kind of weird not doing it. But yeah, I think what I do whenever I travel is I'll get to these spots in due time. You know what I'm saying? Like whenever the time is right, like what we did today, like this was not a part of the plan. It was just to get something and then you search on Google Maps and you go, oh, the little island is close by, let's just go.
Yep.
That's the vibe.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna take this in a little bit and then head to the golf thing? What's the pottery?
The
pottery. You said right over there, we're looking at Jersey City?
I think it's Jersey City, but that's definitely New Jersey.
New Jersey, for sure. Damn.
Oh, and the boat I was telling you about, the Mexican one, I think that's it right there. It's called La Barca Cantina.
So it's like a Mexican food boat?
Yeah, it's the same company as the North Lobster one.
All right, so I think we're basically at one of the top parts, like one of the higher ones, because you guys can hear the wind for sure. It's a lot windier up here. Definitely a good spot to catch the sunset on the Hudson. Is that a thing? Like sunset on the Hudson?
I don't know if people like any specific initiatives to do it, but yes.
Where is a sunset catching spot? So if you're in New York, where would you like try to go catch a sunset?
I would come and catch it over here. Or even the Edge, which is a skyscraper that you can go up and see the skyline. And I'm sure you've seen the kayaking in the Hudson too.
Well, I can say that Soai conquered the island, so it's a pretty unique experience. I think it's mostly about the architecture and just taking in the breeze. Pretty calm. It's a nice vibe. Now we're gonna really go to the pottery. Let's go. How was the island experience?
It was so much fun and it was so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, we got views of the city and then also views of New Jersey.
Yep. That was a vibe. I think in my life though I've gone to do mini golf maybe once. I think when I was out in Alabama. Maybe one time. How many times for you?
Many. Every time I go to Florida.
She said many.
Many. It's my favorite thing.
Oh, so we got a golfer. Okay, we got a golfer. So you're gonna beat my ass then?
Absolutely not. I am no good, but it's the experience I go for.
I'm gonna understand. So wait. Oh, you say you go there many times, right? But you're no good?
I'm no good. I go for the experience.
I like that. High five. Nope. We don't high five. All right, come. High five.
No, I don't want to give you a high five. No.
Oh my God. So far it's been a pretty fun day. It's been a pretty fun day. I'm excited to do the mini golfing. Golf is not my thing, really, but just like Momo, I'm gonna go there for the experience and just have fun with it. This spot, the pottery has like drinks, there's food. I guess it's a whole other vibe. So we're gonna go check that out before we're gonna go to the movies. The movies that we are going to, what's the name of the movie again?
The theater? iPick.
No,
oh, we're
not
gonna see
iPick. Twister. We're gonna go see Twister tonight. So that's gonna be a vibe. Ooh, look at it. Wow. Okay, let me take a picture. What did the guy say just now? What did he say? Yo, I'm telling you, I love that about here. Like so many Jamaican. I feel like I'm still there, Jamaica. Jamaican people, they are like, whoa, brother. Sometimes I go to some stores and I just speak in patois, and I know exactly what time it is. It's either they are Jamaican or they have friends who are Jamaican that teach them like Jamaican words. It's pretty cool. I'm glad you found that funny, right?
It was. Your head was like, wait, what?
I did a quick swivel. I was just like, yo, what is he saying?
See? Wait, where did it go? Okay.
After he said us, I was like, what?
And you gotta hear him say it.
Yeah.
If I work hard at it, I'll be where I wanna be.
And they have a little vibe. There's so many things happening. There's like a museum, there's a rooftop, there's a restaurant, there's a bar, and there's a pottery section. You pay once and your reservation remains open for the day. All right, so we're gonna check out a couple stuff and I'll show you if there's anything interesting. All right, so they got a nice little rooftop vibe going on up here. So you can come and play some golf, get your ass beat, and then you can get some drinks. We probably could come back up here and get some drinks. Bruh, kids. I don't know. I always tell people being in a different place sometimes kind of motivates you. And I find like for me, being in a different place, it's really, it's making things challenging but fun at the same time and just trying to explore it and see different things. Like, trust me, it's cool. You know, I talk to some people and some people tell me that they're trying to leave from the city, go into country areas, go to Jamaica. And, you know, I agree and I respect that. But I think that sometimes there's different points in your life. You know what I'm saying? There's a point in your life where you might be needing to go to the city because that's where your job is. But there's a point in life when probably you retire, or you've made your money, or you're just over it. You decided to go to, you know, the country areas or whatever. For me, being here, I think my goal is to find my own areas of peace. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes you just got to be where you got to be. And there's a lot, like I said before, a lot of green spaces that you could check out in New York. There's rivers, there's a bunch of things. Trust me, they are there. And it's going to be my intention to show you guys that. A bunch of, you know, that and all the things that I have in store. So, yeah, hopefully, Momo, you'll take me on another little trip. Hello. And, yeah. Also, if you guys have any recommendations or you would like for us to like hang in like a cool spot, maybe somewhere that you love, feel free. Hit me up on Instagram at Soai_sauce and we could talk about it. All right, so at this golf course, we have what is it, 2 stages?
Yeah.
There's 2 courses, sorry. This is like the Alps, like a skiing type vibe. What's it called?
The Lodge.
The Lodge. Sounds very sophisticated. So it's either this one or we can do the museum. So we paid for 1 course. So we're gonna do the museum. Actually, we came to the pottery not because that was our main intention. It was really to go check out that interesting movie type spot. But then you're in New York. You wanna come out and enjoy it. So we started off at about 5 p.m. And then the movie's like about 10:30. Is that 10:30 movie? 10:45 movie. So what could we do? And we decided to check out the pottery. There's so many different activities you guys can choose. New York, bro. Let me just tell you, New York is endless. It is endless. You probably would take your entire lifetime before you experience the entirety of New York. It's wild. So we got our golf club.
You guys get 6 shots per person, okay? How you guys tally that in? Press the plus sign right here. You scroll through and you tap on how many times it took for you guys to get the ball to the hole.
Then what do you do? After that, then me? Don't play with this guy. That's the hole right there. One goal. Wow. Say what? Hey, come on, don't hate. Don't hate the player, hate the game, baby. This is going to be a fourth one? Come on now. Hey, good job. Good job. You did it. Wow, that took me 2 tries, guys, but honestly, that was nothing but luck. I even knew what I was doing, really. Let's see. Let's go. Close. Okay. You next. Oh! Damn.
Oh, get out of here.
Hey! Oh my God. You gotta make that shot, Momo. Even, let's go add that next one for you. Let's go. Because yep. Number 5. And what's funny? You are dragging that ball. You're not tapping it. And you still miss. 6. So why don't you look at your course first before you go for the hit? Analyze your course. You're feeling it. All right. What? I didn't even know you could do. All right. Listen, I don't think I want to do exactly what you did just now. Let me try that. Follow fashion. I don't know why. So this, I did one, you did one.
Yeah.
So Monique. Yeah, because God don't like ugly. God do not like ugly. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it through this, but let me try. Oh! That's what, 3rd attempt?
The 3rd, yeah.
This is going to be my 3rd?
Blocking mine.
I'm sorry. So let me move mine. I remember where it is.
Am I allowed to do this?
Oh, sorry.
Good for you.
That's 4.
It wasn't that close.
Bro.
Oh, you're right, yeah, because my boy was behind it. You're right, okay. So this is my 5th try.
That was my 4th. Yeah.
Fine.
Guys, my tour guide is mad competitive. Like, damn. Let's give you a next try. Come on, let's do it again. 1,
I don't know.
2. All right. Let me go first. See if I could probably show you what to do.
Okay.
Is it the hole in one? A hole in one.
You could.
Somebody don't like that. Somebody definitely don't like that. Hole in one. Let's hit it really hard. There we go. 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 Oh my God.
Are you serious?
Let's just give you the hole in one. Did it hit my ball?
Go.
Yeah. All right. Let me not laugh, because you're going to get mad. Oh, wait, what? So what do you have to do?
You have to jump up and get in there.
Okay. Calm down, it's okay. It's all right. Let's go. Let's go. Don't play with him. Yeah, that's it? What did I say? What did I say? Don't play with him. All right, so I skipped a couple of the holes, but we're on the final hole. And she's asking me what am I wagering? And what I'm trying to say to you is what can you afford? You can't hear now?
No, I can't. No. The score looks great, you know. I'm here at 20.
Okay, so here's a wager. Whoever gets this putt in wins the entire game. It don't matter what the score or who was leading. Right now I'm leading. So if you get this one, you win. Game over. All right, let's do it. Ain't no way I'm losing this. No way.
You made it? You're lying.
Sue! One goal. So you gotta do it in one try. If you do it in one try, then we give you the victory. Or we can call it a tie, whichever one you choose.
Whatever. If I make it, I make it, okay? I got this. Look how far I've come, okay? Okay. No. Who's throwing it back?
She said, who's throwing it back?
Because the way it got, you didn't see.
So total strokes, you did 36, I did 22.
But I got it in like.
Nice.
And I won. This is you. This is me.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right, so we are up on the roof right now, and we're gonna get some drinks right now. How do you feel? How was not the game, but like the overall day doing what we did just far?
It's been fun so far.
Pretty fun?
Yeah, the
Cool.
scenery's been great. The weather is impeccable tonight.
Yes, not so hot.
No, it's just
Nice
right.
and windy, it's perfect. Cool,
We had a good time.
Yeah. And the time is gonna get better because we're gonna go to the movies and we're gonna watch Twister. And it'll be my first time going to the I Pick.
Yes.
and experiencing kind of like a lounge type of theater. But we're gonna get some drinks right now and just enjoy the time. What time is it now, actually?
8:17.
It's 8:17 and the movie's 10:45. How far is the movie from here?
A little ways down. We're gonna go by South Street Seaport.
So we're gonna leave by like 10:15, maybe?
Yeah.
Around that time. So we have maybe like 2 hours or so here. All right, so we're gonna enjoy the night and I'll catch you guys when we have something to say. You can't do it with this one.
That's why I need you.
Don't let her get away!
All right, so we're at the iPic Theaters. Pretty cool. Like, they chose special seats where you can ring your order up. I think our waiter just came just now, and you can recline your seats and all that jazz. So that's pretty good. All right, I'll catch you guys when I get home because we're in the movies and can't really film it. Overall verdict: the movie was really good. We watched Twister 2. Now it's like 1 o'clock. The night is still young, but I'll catch you guys on the next video. Yeah, it's one of those days I took you guys out and shared a part of my experience with you guys. So anyway, remember to see things, love, nature, and adaptation, and always remember to keep the link.